how to turn on or turn off cellular data for Photos app on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings, and in Settings, we swipe up to go down. In here, we tap on Photos. Next, swipe up to go down to the bottom and tap on Cellular Data, and then tap on Cellular Data toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, so that if you turn off cellular data to restrict updates to Wi-Fi, including shared albums and iCloud photos. So if you want to update iCloud photos, if you have this one turned off, then you can only update your photos to the iCloud using Wi-Fi only. But if you do not have access to Wi-Fi, then you may need to turn on cellular data so that you can back up your photos. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.